Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohols in the chapter that is alcohol, phenols and ether. Okay, students, there are many ways of preparing alcohol. So basically we will discuss about the three in this chapter, that is from alkene, from carbonyl compound and from Grignard reagent. Okay, so each of them we will discuss one by one. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohols from alkene. Okay, so students, for this you have to suppose the condition that there is a alkene and you are reacting it with water molecule and it result in the formation of alcohol. Basically, this reaction is acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, whenever you are going to form an alcohol from an alkene, it is referred to as acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, so from the word it is clear that as it is acid catalyzed, so in the reaction there will be presence of acid which will behave like catalyst. Okay, and as it is hydration, so hydration is basically because of the water molecule. Okay, so now students, if anybody asks you what is acid catalyzed hydration, so here what happens, the alkene react with water in the presence of acid as a catalyst. Okay, what I am saying, suppose a condition, suppose there is an alkene, so we are taking the alkene, that is ethene. Okay, this is ethene, and whenever it is asked that prepare alcohol from alkene, then what you have to basically do is that it is a acid catalyzed hydration. So for this, as it is hydration, you have to react this alkene with water. Okay, and as the reaction is acid catalyzed, so you have to perform the reaction in the presence of acidic medium. Okay, in the presence of acid, and after this what you will get is the alcohol. So you will get CH3 CH2 OH. Okay, that is from ethene you will get ethanol, from ethene you will get ethanol. One thing which you have to remember here is that, students, in case of unsymmetrical alkene, the reaction take place in accordance with Marconi-Koff's rule. Okay, what I am saying, I have earlier also told you about Marconi-Koff's rules. So Marconi-Koff's rule is basically, suppose a condition that there is a unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, so let me draw that. Suppose this is CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, so this is an unsymmetrical alkene and we are reacting it with water molecule. Okay, in the presence of acid. So Marconi-Koff rule said that hydroxyl group will shift to that carbon atom which has lesser number of hydrogens. So this hydroxyl group will come to this carbon atom. Okay, and this H group will come to this carbon atom where number of hydrogen is more. Basically what you have to remember, OH group will come to that carbon atom, doubly bonded carbon atom, which has lesser number of hydrogen. Okay, so from here the reaction will be CH3 CH OH and again CH3. Okay, so this will be the case for unsymmetrical alkene. For symmetrical alkene there is no problem, directly primary alcohol will be formed. Students, in our next video we will discussing about the mechanism of preparation of alcohols from alkene. Thank you.